Hi, welcome to GMST Solutions Private Limited Digital Learning. So, in part of how to crack full stack Java developer interviews, the question number 4. So, what is the difference between C++ and Java? C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Java also object-oriented programming language, but C++ supports pointers, but Java doesn't support pointers. So, I have given the few points. Actually, it is a theory question. So, for freshers, they will ask this question. I hope. Even experienced candidates also, it is good to have the knowledge on what is the difference between C++ and Java. So just see the points. So here the point wise I have given the one by one. So you can minimize this question as much as possible. So after understanding the question and with the answer what I'm giving here. Okay. See the both C++ and Java use similar syntax. The class concept is a similar syntax. Both are object oriented. But coming to the pointers, Java doesn't support pointers. The pointers, PTR, star, or so ampersand symbol we have, so it will support in C, C++ languages. But Java doesn't support because of the for solving the any issues and exceptions, it is very tricky. So that's the reason Java it won't support pointers. And coming next point, so Java does not support multiple instances because it causes more problems than it is solves. Giving the solutions in place of that, we are getting the more issues in the sense there is ambiguity between one class property to another class property, because example, a class have the one variable, same variable name, and b class also have the same variable. So when we go for the classes multiple instance concept, one class can extend only at a time, one class only, not more than one class. But even there is a chance of getting the another class. So there is a class A have the one property same name and B also same name. So in the another implemented class A or class B or class C, so two properties with the same name coming to the implemented class. So there you will get the chance of getting the ambiguity problem. So while coming to the inheritance questions, I will give a clear explanation. But understood the what is the question difference between the C++ and Java. Okay. So we have the inheritance concept separately. There I will get a clearly question wise with the different examples. So instead of Java supports multiple interface. So instead of means using the classes concept, we have the interface inheritance concept. It will support in Java. So classes it won't support. So the multiple interface inheritance also allows an object to behave polymorphically in the sense polymorphism concept. So one in many form approach we can achieve. So example, if you have the one message method in the interface, the same message method you can override for the text message, email message, and so WhatsApp or normal phone calling. Different we can give the any operations as per your requirement. So method heading is same, body is different. Like that we can achieve. So we have the method overloading overriding. We'll discuss later. So Java doesn't support these structures but adds a finalize method. So finalize method in the sense whenever we execute the any Java based applications, so there is a temporary memory space occupying in our operating system. So in JVM. So there is unused memory spaces. It is not clearing on the time. So what will happen? It will take the more memory space in our application. So the application becomes slowly responding for the clients after some time, after few days, after few months, like that. So if you want to avoid that type of issues, we have so the finalize method will be executes, but calling the every time the finalize method. So we have to do the automatic garbage collection. So to release the objects. So these things will be happen in the automatic garbage collection Java, but not in C language, C++. C language, C++ explicitly you have to implement the memory management operations. There is no garbage collection facility. Now you can see Java does not include structures or unions. So we have the object frameworks like collection framework. So there we can use the collection of records like list, set, map. So different we can utilize that. And all the code in Java program is encapsulated within the classes. So inside the class only we will implement the variables and methods, but not outside the class. So means Java supports only membership. There is no concept of the non-membership property in Java. So C++ requires explicit memory management. So what I told this point. While Java includes automatic garbage collection. So because of that, our applications, once application is execution done and we are closing that application, what are the memory allocated for that application? What are the objects occupied with the default memory space? It will reclaim automatically. They'll do the garbage collection. That is automatic memory management service we have in Java. Okay. So these are the main points. What is the difference between the C++ and Java? So once again, I'm giving the point one. What we are giving, the syntactically similar but not same. And second point, Java doesn't support the pointers because once if you use that pointers in Java, there is a tricky to resolve the issues. So unable to find the solutions for that instantly. And Java doesn't support the multi-instance concept using the classes. Using the interfaces, we can implement. So that things we will discuss. And third point, Java does not support destructures but adds a finalize method. So the finalize methods are invoked by the garbage collector prior to release the reclaiming or releasing the memory. Reclaiming or releasing the memory. So occupied by the objects, temporary memory space. So whenever you are calling the finalize method again and again, it will take the time consuming process. So for avoiding that, we are implementing the automatic garbage collection. That thing we are trying to say this point. And Java doesn't include the structures or unions because the traditional data structures are implemented in as an object oriented framework, that is a collection framework. Everything in collection framework is objects and there is no primitive source. It will allow only objects. And all the code in Java programming language is encapsulated by the classes concept only. Within the class only we can implement, not outside the class. And C++ requires explicit memory management while Java includes automatic garbage collection. So means C++ you have to write the memory management logic, but Java automatically will provide, no need to implement the memory management logic. Because of the garbage collection we have the facility. Okay, so this is a simple answer for the C++ and Java. Thank you. If you have any question on this question, you have any confusion or any questions on regarding C++ and Java, please comment your questions in comment box.